Today's wine text is Abremundos Octava Superior Red Blend 2013 from Argentina. So just quick recap on these guys. I know we did another one of their wines before, but it's a project between two friends. One's a musician, one's a winemaker, and their passion of Argentinian red wines come together, and they create some of the best wines from unique microclimates within Argentina. So there's two different Octava wines that they make. They make the regular Octava red blend, and then this is the Superior, which is their higher end, more collectible style. This is actually specifically from vineyards that are 1,100 meters above sea level along the Tunuyan River in Argentina in the Valle de Uco in Mendoza. So this really slight microclimate that has these cool river breezes, these colder nights, but these really sun-smacking days are perfect for the style of wine that this is. This is actually 75% Cabernet Franc, 20% Malbec, and 5% Syrah. So the Cabernet Franc being that old world grape, and especially the Syrah that you don't think of coming from this area, needs those cooler nights to really get the best out of the grapes. 2013 was a good vintage. I think Wine Spectator says it's probably the best vintage in the last 10, 15 years in Argentina. And it's 2013, so it's going on 7 years of age. I think if this was a lot younger and only a couple years, it might be a little aggressive. It's really starting to settle in now. You're getting a lot of that kind of bell peppery, kind of elegance coming through, but still has a lot of that really dark cherry, blueberry, and big kind of fruits on the upfront. It does spend 16 months in oak, which gives a little bit more of that tannin and mouthfeel structure and also allows it to have a little bit more longevity. I think this wine will last another 10, 15 years without even trying. I know James Suckling gave it a huge score and talked about how you could drink it now if you wanted to, but you can also hold on to it for an extended period of time. So yeah, really great wine that is in really, really small productions from a really unique area of some of the best vineyards in Argentina, and yeah, some really cool stuff for you guys to try. Enjoy.